300,000 years ago, Earth's climate wasn't just cold, it swung like a pendulum. In a single lifetime, temperatures could drop so fast that entire forests froze, and then warm again enough for grasslands to stretch for miles. And in the middle of this unstable world, our ancestors fought to survive. Today, we're stepping into that world, a planet shaped by ice, megafauna, and extreme evolution. Let's imagine what life was really like for the humans who walked the Earth 300,000 years ago, and piece together a day in their extraordinary, unpredictable lives. The biggest threat wasn't predators. It was the planet itself. Earth was locked in the middle of an ice age. Massive glaciers smothered huge regions. Temperatures swung dramatically between bitter glacial phases and warmer interglacials. For early humans, survival meant constant adaptation. Food sources moved, herds migrated, seasons shifted unpredictably. One year might bring cold, dry winds, the next rain and warmth that transformed landscapes overnight. A successful day meant finding shelter that wouldn't flood when the ice melted, tracking herds before they disappeared over frozen ridges, and keeping warm when temperatures dropped without warning. And early humans weren't alone in this struggle. They competed with giant bears, towering mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and enormous packs of prehistoric wolves. Every water source, every carcass, every patch of berries was contested territory. In this world, survival wasn't guaranteed. It was earned. Imagine waking up on a chilly morning. Your breath fogs in the air. You step out of your shelter, perhaps a cave or a crude hut built from mammoth bones, and look across a landscape shaped by ice. Glacial lakes shimmer in the distance. Massive ice sheets carve valleys and redirect rivers. Grasslands stretch endlessly, home to mammoths, woolly rhinoceroses, and herds of ancient antelope. Forests exist too, but they're cooler, thicker, and filled with creatures built for survival. Giant sloths moving slowly through trees, huge elk with antlers wider than a car, and silent predators waiting in the shadows. Plants are incredibly hardy, cold-resistant grasses, mosses, and dwarf shrubs that feed vast herds of grazing megafauna. Early humans lived in small groups, constantly moving, tracking food. They communicated through gestures, calls, and early forms of structured language. Every day was a balance between exploration and caution. Then, a spark, quite literally, changed everything. The discovery and control of fire. It wasn't just warmth, it was a revolution. Fire allowed early humans to cook food, unlocking more calories than raw meat ever could. It kept predators away at night, it transformed dark caves into safe shelters, and it opened the door for new tools, new strategies, and new ways of living. Suddenly, humans weren't just reacting to their environment, they were reshaping it. This period also marks the rise of more advanced stone tools, sharper blades, durable scrapers, and weapons strong enough to bring down large prey. For the first time, humans weren't just surviving, they were adapting faster than the world was changing. This was the moment evolution accelerated, the dawn of the humans we would eventually become. Earth 300,000 years ago was a world of extremes, shifting temperatures, colossal animals, and constant danger. But its challenges forged resilience, intelligence, and creativity in early humans. Climate shaped life, and life shaped the future of humanity. What surprised you most about life on Earth 300,000 years ago? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to travel even deeper into the past, check out my video on what Earth looked like 1 billion years ago. It's a journey you don't want to miss.